This is a new platform where you can earn massive income for yourself through USDT and bag a lot of money. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Remember, this is where I give you free tips and updates on how you can earn and bag a lot of money for yourself. So now we need to register first in this platform we're about to share with you. This is an amazing platform that you can invest and also earn free USDT. So quickly, all you just have to do firstly is input your email, your login password, confirm password, security password, and confirm you are good to go. And once you register on this platform, you can start exploring. Remember, we are going to be having a live withdrawal in this platform, so I'll be showing you how I earned in this platform, and you'll be joining me to withdraw the USDT I've earned in this platform directly to my Trust wallet. So this is the platform that we are talking about, and this is the interface of the platform. So quickly, let's click on quantify. So this is quantify. You can see that in my dashboard I have profit asset is 0.00, my today's earnings is 0, my total revenue is 0.00. Remember, it's a live withdrawal, so you're going to join me as I withdraw from this platform what I have earned. So what we just have to do is click on start quantify. Once you click on start quantify, my earnings for the day start quantifying, and once it's successful, it will appear and will be due for me to withdraw into my Trust wallet. So stay tuned and you will be learning a lot. So quickly, this is my quantitative benefit for today, and you can see deposit into basic wallet, and I have earned for myself 2 USDT. So I've earned for myself 2.5 USDT for today. So this platform is where you'll be earning. You can see my dashboard is reflected immediately. My profit asset is now 2.05, today's earning 2.05, and total revenue 2.05. So quickly, you'll be joining me as we withdraw this directly to my Trust wallet. So I'll be teaching you how you can withdraw in this platform. So once you click on withdrawal, if you click on withdrawal, it takes you to this interface. This is the interface. You can see my earnings already at the withdrawal process, and I just have to choose the USDT of the choice I want, input my withdrawal address, and how much I want to withdraw from this platform, my security password. Remember the security password you use while registering. So I need to also fetch my address directly from my Trust wallet for you to see that this is a live withdrawal. So this is my Trust wallet, and this is how much I have in it. So for now, I just have 33.98 USDT, approximately 34 USDT. So it's going to be a live withdrawal for you to see that the money will reflect immediately to my Trust wallet, and this platform can be trusted for you to invest and start earning for yourself. So let me copy my address. Once I copy my address, we go back to the platform. So once we get back to the platform, we just have to input the necessary things and press on confirm. Once you click on confirm, you can see withdraw success, and within 2 minutes you can get your money into your Trust wallet immediately. So quickly, let's go back to my Trust wallet to check if the money has reflected and to check how much I have earned for myself. You can see 36 USDT. So I have the 2 USDT have reflected, and you can see my transfer for today 2.05 USDT, of which it can have been transferred to my USDT. So I'll be teaching you on how you can make massive income in this platform. So I'll be teaching you on how you can earn. So quickly, this platform, once you click on recharge is where you top up your USDT to be able to subscribe to any VIP of your choice in this platform. Once you subscribe to any VIP, you can start earning daily and massive income in this platform. So these are the VIPs we have in this platform. They have from VIP 1 to VIP 10. So you can subscribe to any VIP of your choice and start earning massive profit daily in this platform. Remember, the higher VIP you subscribe to, the higher income and massive USDT you have bargained for yourself in this platform. All you just have to do is just to choose any VIP of your choice and click to unlock. Once you click to unlock, you have subscribed to the VIP and you start earning daily in this platform. So there is another means also you can earn in this platform. You can earn massively in this platform through inviting of friends. Once you invite your friends in this platform, you are earning for free. You are earning for free that you'll be earning commissions in this platform. All you just have to do, send a friend invitation friend completes registration, get a rebate income, and build a team and get a generous reward in this platform. So it's absolutely free. So what you just have to do is, once you copy your invite link, you send it to your friends. Make sure that they register with your invitation code. So if they register invitation code, you'll be earning commissions. They have from level 1 to level 3 of commissions to earn in this platform, and you'll be bagging a lot of your money for yourself in this 2025. And also, this is team is where you build your team, people that you have invited in this platform, and once they register, you'll be earning commissions for free. You have nothing to bother about. So I hope you find this video very helpful. Bye.